we gonna eat these leg quarters.
How you gonna cook them?
You know I'm throwing them on the smoker still.
Okay.
Man, it's gonna be so much flavor we gonna put in these.
I know.
We gotta get them, we gotta get them cleaned up first.
Okay.
There's no rules in this stuff. It's like if it look ugly, get rid of it. Like that look ugly.
Yeah. You do have to invest in some good shears too. I see.
Want none of that ugly stuff, Anything about food too, it's gotta look good. It's gonna look good, ain't nobody gonna eat it.
Right.
See? See, I ain't going crazy with nothing. I'm just taking off the stuff and like, okay, that looked unattractive, and I'm getting rid of it. Yeah, that's it. I learned this from the old school. Like my mom and them, and then also the Jamaican chefs, they do this all the time. You gotta wash these things down. It's vinegar. Yeah, let that vinegar penetrate in there. Let it sit there for a while, clean it up, and come back and season it up. All right. Got that chicken washed and everything. See how different that is now? Look at that. Look how different that is now. Nice and clean. Check this out though. We're using Famous Dave's rib rub. Famous Day, they do a good job. They do a good job.
So what you gonna put on that one?
So this one here, we gonna jerk it, Caribbean style it. I made this up myself. Just throwing together some stuff. And I call this my Caribbean rub. So yeah. So I got, your basics in here. Salt, pepper, garlic, onion powder. Allspice. What else in there? Oregano, some thyme.
Yeah.
And red pepper.
Mm-hmm.
Cayenne pepper. Black pepper, of course.
Mm-hmm.
And little cinnamon, onion powder. And then what I did here, I made a paste. So I just add a little bit of olive oil and lime. And bam.
It smells amazing already.
So we just gonna see what it do. It could be the best thing in the world, or it could just be a total disaster. But that's what we doing. We trying stuff. And what better way to try it on these chicken quarters here? $6.97, 10-pound bag. Now, me and Shawana, we can eat off of these. It's about almost 3 days worth of food right here. Once we put the sides with it.
Yes.
Rice and broccoli and stuff like that.
Beans.
Yeah, this that survival food.
Oh, that looks good. Ooh. That is gonna be delicious.
Man. Oh, I put some ginger in here too.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I can smell it.
Man,
it smells amazing.
Mm.
That smells amazing. Oh my goodness.
So we're just gonna let these go overnight. And tomorrow, the weekend starts, they going on the smoker. That's gonna be good. So, oh yeah, these are my plain barbecue ones. There's some famous Dave's rib rub on there. So, yeah. Let those go. So the smoke I'm using today, wood, I'm gonna use some mesquite. Are we going smooth? We're an hour and a half in. It's not done yet, but let's see how it's looking. Pretty beautiful, I must say.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, give it about another half an hour. Taking it off. Gonna be eating. All right, what we're about to do now is make what I call a waiting cocktail. Waiting for your food to get done. You know, nothing crazy. You know, just doing it's just a little waiting cocktail. Right, put a little salt on there. Some pre-made squeeze fresh lime. Yes, just a little bit. Oh, tequila. Come on, about halfway, like that. Simply lemonade. Oh. Then we do it up like James Bond. Shake it, not stir.
Oh, that's gonna be delicious. That's gonna be delicious.
Wee. Ice for you. That's it. Waiting cocktail.
Ooh. Yeah. I know it's good.
Some good stuff there. All right, Kimberly, I ain't gonna hold you. You know, come on and get you.
Yeah, I'm ready.
It's time to take this off. Feel good. All right, let's see if the temperature is there where we want it. 168, 169, yeah. 170 on 172 on this one. 165. 174. This one I can take off. It's above 165. We're gonna let that rest, then cut it up, and then we're gonna taste it and see what it do. One's just a straight barbecue, and this one right here is my own Caribbean rub, spicy.
Ooh.
All right, just let it rest for a little bit. Let's cut her up.
taste. Oh my goodness, it smells so amazing.
Look at that, baby.
Ooh.
Nice and juicy.
Oh yes, it is.
Nice and done.
Uh-huh.
So this the regular one.
I know it's good because it smells good.
Mm-hmm.
Give me a piece, give me a piece, give me a piece. Ah,
Yeah.
oh, that tastes so good.
So that's my own jerk one. So let's see.
That's delicious. That is delicious.
Hey, this the one.
It's so juicy and tender. I almost put the camera down. It's so good.
Oh man, this is it.
Look at that.
It's not like it's jerky or nothing.
No, it's just right. The perfect amount of spice.
Flavors is coming through. Wow.
You never had flavor like this before.
Man. All right. So taste test. I prefer the one that I did with my own spices, just hodgepodge spices, throwing everything together. Yep.
All right.
All right. Woo. Thank you for your time and watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is Darryl King Barbecue signing off. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace and love.